Hi, Miss McKay here. So today we're going to work on the math homework. Your homework for today is just the front of the homework page, which is page 3. Um, you'll see I have it already opened up in Cami so that I can write on it. Mrs. Kajan is willing to take it that way if you want to try using Cami at your house. Remember that it's being stored in a folder called Cami Uploads. I'm not going to do all the questions with you. There's only 2 questions, but actually there's 9 problems. So I'm going to do about half of them with you, just so you have a better understanding of what to do. I'm going to try to do the ones that I think look the most difficult. So let's look at the first one. Negative 3/5 x plus 2 equals 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is add or subtract. Okay, so right now I've got a positive 2. To move it to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 2, and then I'm going to subtract 2. Okay, that leaves me with negative 3/5 x equals 5. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is multiply or divide. Okay, and then this case I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which means I'm just going to flip the order. So I'm going to multiply by 5/3, and I'm going to multiply by 5/3. Okay, these cross each other out, which leaves me with x equals 25/3. Now you could divide 25 by 3. It's going to give you a fraction or a decimal depending on which setting you have your calculator at, but you can leave it as x equals 25/3. That is perfectly acceptable. Okay, let's look at question number 2. Let's see, let's do letter A. Okay, so I know that when I have a number on the outside, it's going to multiply everything on the inside. Okay, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, and that's still all over 6. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of this fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. Okay, that cancels this out. Leaves me with 5x. And then I can add the 5 and the 4, which is 9. And it equals 24. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. That gives me 5x equals 15. I'm going to divide by 5. That gives me x equals 3. Okay, let's do letter D. Same thing. I'm going to multiply the 5 by the x, and then the 5 by the 1. And then I'm also going to multiply the 2 by the 3 and the 2 by the x. Okay, that gives me 5x plus 5 minus 2x equals 6 plus 2x. Okay, I'm going to combine my like terms that are on this side. 5x minus 2x is 3x. There's nothing to combine over here, so I'm just going to carry it down. Okay, I'm going to move my smallest x. So I have 3x and I have 2x, so my smallest x is the 2x. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, that leaves me with 1x plus 5 equals 6. Okay, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves me with 1x equals 1. And we're done. I mean, we could divide it by 1 on both sides. It'll still give you x equals 1. Means the same thing. Okay. Let's look at the next one. I'm going to try to do that one with this one with the text box and see if it'll make it a little bit neater. Okay, I've got 3x, and I'm going to multiply the 3 on all the things that are inside the equation or inside the parentheses. That gives me 3x. 3 times negative 4 is 12. Now I'm going to also do the negative 2, and I'm going to multiply the two things inside the parentheses. Negative 2 times 3 is 6x. Okay, and negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, which equals, okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply what's inside the parentheses. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. Okay, and then I can't do, or I don't need to do anything with the 5x. Okay, and then we're also going to carry down the 4 because we didn't do anything with that one. Okay, now our next step is to go ahead and we're going to combine like terms. Okay, so I have a 3x minus 6x. That's going to give me negative 3x. I have negative 12 minus 8, which is going to give me negative 20. Okay, and on the other side, I'm going to combine negative 4x and 5x, which is going to give me a 1x. And then I have 12 plus 4, which is 16. So I'm going to add 16 to both sides, or 16 there. Okay, now I'm going to move my smallest x. In this case, it's negative 3. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Sorry about that. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Okay. Oops. These cancel each other off, which leaves me with negative 20 equals 3x plus 1x is 4x plus 16. Okay, I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. Okay, that gives me 4x equals negative 36. We're going to divide by 4. Okay, that gives me x equals negative 9. Okay, so that's the end of today's math. You should go ahead and try the rest of the problems on your own. Go ahead and contact me if you need any help with any of them. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.